Welcome folks, Niall Amari from Best RV in Trolla, California. Today I'm bringing you a brand new 2026 Rize 18Z. It's a brand new floor plan for 2026 model year. And this motorhome is easy to drive, especially for the ladies. It's only 18 foot as you see behind me. So it's easy to sit behind the steering wheel and drive in it. So as you see, this is the brand new 26 Ram. So it's sitting on a Ram chassis. It's a gas motorhome. It has the adaptive cruise control. A nice windshields, as you see from the front, is give you very open to the outside. They added today on the 26 long step, which is make it easy for you to get in the motorhome as well from the passenger side and the entry door as well. We have another step on the driver's side. 18ZS come with also all the Rize now. They come with the power awning with LED lights. They have also propane hookup. This yellow cap, that's where you go to a gas station and you fill your propane tank. All the 18 Rize, they come with generators, so it's easy to use. All you have to do, walk in and flip the switch and start using the generator. As you see, 18Z, and again, I say this a couple times to emphasize, it's a brand new floor plan for 26. It's a new, never had this before. But the advantage for you, it give you the big, huge cargo area in the back, because majority of the Class B customers, they want storage. Because they say, Class B motorhome, oh, there's not enough storage. Well, that's the manufacturer listen to you and they provided this to you. Now, this storage, this bed flip, and then this piece, flip over, and you could see is giving you more storage in the back, especially for dog lovers. So they go to dog shows, or I've seen some people, constructions people, they go to a site where they take air compressor with them, tools, and they want to go work next to the job. It's right there. Or if somebody take anything you want to store when you're driving, no question asked. This is very clever. This floor plan, a lot of people, they're making the big in the back with the storage underneath it. But on the Rize 18Z, they give you this piece to flip to get you more height. So if you have a golf club or you have a longer pieces where I'm standing, you could put it in and tie it down with these tie downs while you're traveling on the road. So that's the advantage of the 18Z. Now, all the Rize, they come with the Class 3 hitch, and that's again allow you to pull a small boat, jet skis, or a bike rack. Coming this way, you will see all the connection on the Rize, which is make it so easy. You have the 30 amp power cord, cable hookup, solar prep for outside, city water fill. And over here we have the cassette toilet. So this is all they come with the cassette toilet. And we talk about the Class B is you take it outside and you go, this is like a, look at it as electric porta potty. So the black stuff go inside, you take it outside and you dump it in any toilet or any appropriate area to dumping the black water. So Rize is portable cassette toilet. And then you have the place here for the gray water dump. So it has black tank, which is under the one I showed you, and then it has a gray water tank for the waste from the kitchen and kitchen sink as well the bathroom sinks. This is the container where we store the sewer hose and make it so easy for you. Now look over here, look how so nice they added additional step, especially for people with the hurting their knees. It's easy to get in, easy to walk in comparing the other brands. So let's go inside in the 18Z and show you what's the new changes on 18Z Sport. As soon as you walk in, they utilize every single storage. So they give you a shelf, and it's so handy. This is the way, like when you go underneath the awning, eating, drinking, you could sit over here and enjoy some nice table. Walking in, as you see, it gives you a really nice bench, so you could sit and use it as a dinette. It comes with a table, so you could sit, cook, and again, if this table is in your way, it's removable and you could store it behind the driver's seat. On the 18Z, they give you 2-burner stove and they're propane. As well, they give you a refrigerator Nice sink with the cover, microwave, and as you see the long on both sides, they give you the storage compartments, and they utilize it everything, and it has the nice hinges. So you could see how long all the storage in both sides from the right to the left. They provide you also with a net. So when I drop this piece, I could have a place for net, and you could see it's very easy. You drop that piece, you put that filler, I call them filler, over here, and go ahead, enjoy nice bed. Now, the beauty about this unit, you could see, let me just take my jacket. I'm 5'6", so I could sleep this way. It's perfect for a couple people to sleep here, or husband and wife, or couples, and enjoy the size. This is most desired size, 18. That's the smallest class B you could get. It's already provided with the common air conditions in the ceiling, as you see. So fantastic fan. And then there's windows. Some people, they open this window and they gain a couple inches if they're taller people. If it's one person, they could go on an angle and gain more space for sleeping. Going over here, I like what they did for the 26. They used the new latch. It gives you very open, so you could see I'm sitting here on a nice cassette toilet and plenty room for my knees. This one, they have the nice curtains. It goes around you when you take a shower. This piece, they use it for hanging clothes. You have a fan here with the light and 2 LED lights, medicine cabinet, and then nice shower head. And this, it moves. So if you're kind of big person and you need more space for your knees, I could go this way. So I could move this cassette toilet. Now, people, they ask me, is there an issue when you take the showers? No. Why? Because you're gonna put the curtains around you. So let me show you. So the curtains go all around you, and then you take a shower, and that's how the water will not gonna be wet here. These they use it as a coat hangers. Some people, they don't use it, they just take it and put it over there in the compartments. So I'm just trying to kind of give you the vision as much as I can. And then they utilize this oval shape for, you could put your shampoos, you store whatever you want to store. There's a storage underneath the bench. There's a storage, as you see, it's accessible. This is the fuse box over there. And then these doors, you could close them so they don't come up open on you by like that. Okay, over there's the bracket where you store the tables, and it's very easy. I'm gonna try to demonstrate it. You just take this up. Let me just loosen up. And there's a special bracket here where you put the tables and you latch so it does not move. Actually, you do it the harder. So you could see the table is latched at the bottom, and then those 2 posts, you could put them in the cabinet or you could put them underneath. And for right now, I'm gonna put them on the cabinet, or you could put them also over here because you have a storage right there. So you have a lot of storage to store things. But as you see, when you remove the table, you see how it's so easy. So you could sit here, enjoy the fresh air, and you have a screen wall. So there, if you worry about the bugs, just open the screen and it has a screen and zipper. I'm just trying to give you the idea, and again, as much quick, and then you close these zippers, voila. So now there's no bugs gonna come in. You still enjoy the fresh air. Also, if you're cooking like bacon or something with the spices, you could get the smell outside quick. But that'll give you an idea about this 18Z. We're so excited for this 18, but hang around with me because I'm gonna show you what they changed in the chassis wise for 2026. Because Thor, what they did, they added extra cameras and the screen is different than the 25. So just bear with me, and we're gonna go to the driver seat and show you what the changes they did for 26. Give me 1 second. Done. All right, so going to the driver's seat and passenger seat, as you see what they did, what I like about Ram in general is their seat sit high. And by the way, the seat is spin, so this is a spin and that one is spin. They change the console, so right now you have a touch button here for the air condition, the heaters, and the defrost. Over here, if you want a lane assist, that's a lot of most questions customer ask me on the Ram. Did the unit come with the lane assist? Yes, it does. It's right here, and you could turn it on and turn it off. Did the unit come with slippery? Yes. Parking, you could see a beep, and you could see the camera. Now, in 26 they change, and what is they change? They add additional cameras. So right now I have 2 cameras in this motorhome. I have the rear camera, and it give you the green and the red when you back it up. That's the standard on the Ram chassis. And then Thor and Ram, they add up additional camera over here, which is go 24 hours all the time. So even if I'm going driving on this motorhome, so now I'm in D, look, I could see is in the back. If I put reverse, now I have the camera on the big screen here on the dashboard, as well the camera on the mirror. So this is a new for 26. 25, we never had that. It has the tow haul mode if you want to tow boats, the 2C charger, as well the USB, the 12 volt, and it has also 115 volt 150 watt plug in case if you have a laptop and you need 110. It has the emergency exit switch right here, and why I need it in case if my house engine battery get died, I could charge myself from the house. That's what it is. Over here is the straightforward powers windows, and this is new for 26. You could fold them. 25 they never had that option, and 26. So that's the advantage for you. You need to come at Best RV and look at the 26, because these changes, like the foldable mirror, it used to be manual, now it's electric. The line assist is the standard. There's 2 cameras now versus 1 camera. So they change big time between 25 and 26. But in general, you could see I could sit, easy to drive, easy, nice view, and that will make this unit separate than the other brands. Folks, I don't know how to say it, but the best thing when you come to the 18Z, it has everything you ask on the Class B motorhome in affordable price. And we forgot something, I want to mention it before. This unit come with the BM Pro. What is BM Pro? Which is mean everything is digital, so I could control the lights, the motors on the generators, tanks, switches. All of that is touch screen, so you can see awnings, lights, air conditions, heaters, all this controlled by touch screen. Over here you have a switch for the small inverters as well. This is the Truma heaters as well, hot water heater Truma, so it make a big difference. So with the price what they did for 26 on the Rize and the Sport, they make it so more affordable for you to enjoy camping. And I'll look at it as not just camping, it's putting your house on wheels and go have fun. Folks, please come to Best RV and look at the brand new 18Z from Thor Motor Coach. Click at the bottom, you will see videos, a lot of pictures, descriptions. You're going to see our 800 numbers as well, the email. Please give us a call if you have any question, concern, and we'll be glad to assist you. And always we give you the most innovative in the Class B and the best price, best deals, and no hidden fees. Coming in.